In this video, you'll learn how to put your eBay store on holiday mode. This feature allows you to manage your listings while you are unavailable, ensuring that your sales are paused during your time away. Begin by signing in to your eBay seller account. Once you have logged in, navigate to the Seller Hub dashboard. This area contains essential tools for managing your listings, orders, and store settings. Look for the section labeled Store Settings or Vacation Settings. Accessing this part of the dashboard is crucial for enabling holiday mode effectively. Next, within the store settings, locate the option for time away or vacation mode. Click on this feature to activate it. You will then be prompted to select the specific dates during which you will be unavailable. At this stage, you can choose to pause sales completely or allow orders while extending your handling time. This flexibility is important for preventing any unexpected delays in order processing. Review all available settings carefully to ensure they align with your schedule before proceeding. After you've made your selections regarding dates and sales preferences, look for the button labeled Save or Activate. Clicking this button will apply the holiday mode settings to your store. Once activated, buyers will see a notification that indicates you are currently away. Depending on the options you selected, your listings may be temporarily paused, which helps manage customer expectations during your absence. It is essential to remember that once your designated vacation period ends, your normal selling operations will automatically resume. This feature is designed to help you maintain control over your store while you are away, ensuring that you do not miss out on potential sales or receive orders that you cannot fulfill in a timely manner. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.